Hey everyone, in this video I want to cover how to properly remove an old thermostat for your best chance of success in installing a replacement. When you are ready to replace your thermostat, the first thing you will want to do is power down the system for your safety. You can either do this at the furnace or at the breaker. Once the system is powered down, remove the old thermostat and take note of the wiring configuration. It is recommended to take a picture of the wires and their terminals, or to tag and label the wires. You will also want to verify if there is a heat pump connection or common wire. Lastly, check to see if the old thermostat has an EF switch, which tells you if the system is electric or fuel. If you are feeling overwhelmed or unsure, you can locate a contractor to assist you at yourhome.honeywell.com. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. For more support and documentation, please visit honeywellhome.com.